Right now, Ethereum is up 5.1% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin? Up 2.8%. That 2.3% gap isn't noise. It's a signal. When ETH outpaces BTC like this, capital isn't just flowing. It's rotating. Bitcoin's holding $61,762. Solid ground. Steady. But Ethereum's sitting at $1,701, and it's running harder than Bitcoin. That spread tells you exactly where fresh money is landing. Not into Bitcoin's safety. Into Ethereum's momentum. This isn't the first time we've seen this pattern. But the size matters here. 5% in a single day from Ethereum while Bitcoin barely touches 3%. That's not noise. That's institutional conviction hitting the tape. That's retail FOMO kicking in. That's the smell of Altseason starting to wake up. The market structure just shifted. Understanding what it means is going to define the next move. Bitcoin hit $61,762 overnight. Up 2.8% in just the last 24 hours. That's real macro relief flowing back into the crypto market. Fed rate signals easing. Inflation cooling. Institutions coming back to the table with fresh capital. Bitcoin caught the bid hard. That's exactly what we'd expect on these macroeconomic tailwinds. But here's what actually matters more than the headline: the altcoin ratio is shifting. Ethereum's up 5.1% while Bitcoin's only at 2.8%. Solana's running 4.3%. XRP moved 3.1%. For the first time in several weeks now, smaller assets are outpacing the largest one. That's not just noise. That's a real structural rotation forming right now. Bitcoin's holding the fort and staying strong. But the energy is definitely shifting away. Where there's outperformance like this, conviction follows. And conviction builds lasting trends. That conviction is flowing into Ethereum right now. At $1,701, ETH is up 2.3% on the day. Clearly outpacing Bitcoin's move. Here's what matters: Layer 2 networks are exploding. Arbitrum, Optimism, Base are handling real volume. Actual transactions. Actual users building on them. DeFi isn't just surviving anymore. It's thriving on these chains. The smart money understands this. Bitcoin stores value. But Ethereum builds applications. When market conviction returns, applications get funded first. We're watching it happen in real time. Bridge activity is quieter now, less panic-driven movement. Users are deploying capital into yield strategies. Into actual revenue-generating protocols. This isn't speculation driving prices. This is real infrastructure adoption. The market structure is crystal clear: Bitcoin attracts conviction. Ethereum captures economic capacity and activity. That distinction matters most. Not financial advice. Dire. Now look at what's happening below Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's where the real signal lives. Solana just posted 4.3% gains today. XRP adding 3.1. Scash pushing 5.9 on a single day. These aren't random pumps or isolated moves happening in vacuum. When mid-caps accelerate together like this, in sync, it signals real movement. That movement starts beneath the surface. CoinGecko's trending chart is absolutely screaming right now. Tyco is climbing hard. Grass is building serious momentum. Even Pudgy Penguins is getting fresh attention from actual traders. This isn't retail FOMO yet, that comes later in the cycle. It's smart money rotating into the next tier, testing conviction here. That's exactly what happens right before Altseason really breaks open. The infrastructure moves first. The narrative follows. That's the pattern we're seeing play out now. Here's what the market structure is actually telling us right now. Capital isn't just flowing into Bitcoin anymore. It's rotating aggressively into Layer 2's, infrastructure, community tokens. That's adoption cycle positioning, not hype chasing. When megacap dominance falls this hard, the market's pricing in real use cases ahead. Not next quarter speculation. The infrastructure layers actively getting built out right now. Layer 2 bridges, roll-up solutions, actual dApps scaling to thousands of users. This structure tells us something crucial. The market expects utilization growth coming soon. Real transactions, real users, real volume on these networks. That's exactly why Layer 2 tokens are actively accelerating hard alongside Ethereum. The pattern isn't random noise either. It's capital actively hunting for infrastructure bottlenecks. Adoption cycles price themselves in advance through structural rotation moves exactly like this one. So here's what separates a real structural shift from noise. Watch the ETH to Bitcoin ratio. Right now it's up against resistance we haven't seen since 2021. If it holds, that's your confirmation Altseason isn't just hype. Layer 2 TVL is the second meter to check. Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, these networks are where adoption actually happens. When projects migrate real value there, that's when prices follow. And those trending outs we mentioned? Watch if they hold their momentum through normal volatility. One bounce doesn't make a cycle. Sustained breaks above resistance do. The market doesn't warn you twice. If this structure holds, we're looking at months of opportunity. If it rolls over, we're back to Bitcoin dominance. That's your roadmap. Not financial advice. Dire.